Okay, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a turbo whistle that every racer must have. Now unfortunately it's raining, so it's not going to be a very long video today, but I will do a recap on it with some kind of video next week and possibly a video every day next week because that is my spring break. We'll see if I can actually end up doing that or not. I will at least try and make more than usual, so you guys can at least look forward to that. So today we're looking at this magical thing in my pocket, which is stuck on my keys. Fuck. Ugh. There we go. This is what we're looking at. So essentially what you do is you put this on your exhaust and it'll make a whistling noise, and yeah. And since if you guys have watched my other videos, you'd see that I actually have an exhaust leak or exhaust cutout. This would be the better name for it if it was actually done the right way. But essentially allows more air to come out. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this on a regular exhaust tip, and then I'm actually going to show you guys what I'm doing, which is putting it. Then I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing, which is putting it in the exhaust cutout underneath the car. So it's not only is it not visible anymore, but also gets more pressure from the single pipe. Alright, so essentially what you would do to attach this to a normal exhaust tip, like my wet covered rain car, is you loosen up this bolt right here. So you just twist that down, put it in the exhaust tip, roll the way, and then just twist it on. And this will damage your exhaust tip on the other side, which you won't see anyway. And if you're installing this permanently, obviously you want to make this as tight as you can so it doesn't fall off. And what it'll do is it'll make a whistling noise from inside your exhaust tip. And that's fun and all, but what if you want that sound to be deeper and be further inside the car? And obviously not visible like this, because that's very visible. You can see it's like right here sticking out. So I have dual exhaust, I only have one. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to put it in my exhaust cutout. It should be fairly simple and easy.
And pretty hot and as happy as I can be. Oh, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. Oh, we bop and pretty hot. I'll never be a millionaire. Oh, boom, boom, and pretty zoom. I'm in love.
Okay, so now that it's installed, we're at the very main question of the video. Does it work? So I'm going to go in the car and try that right now, and I'll pull the car off. I don't really hear anything right now, but I'm going to I don't know if you guys caught that, but I really didn't catch that. It's fairly loud, but my car's louder. So I'm going to put you guys under the car, I guess. I'm going to give it a quick rev. I don't know why I keep walking, like I think I had a frame almost. But I'm going to give it a quick rev under the car, and let me know if you guys can hear it. I think I heard it like a tiny bit from outside the car, but it's faint, and it's not very loud. Especially with the car as loud as my exhaust, it's too quiet. So we'll see. I actually heard it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Like I said, it's faint, but it actually sounds like a turbo car, just slightly, just a little bit. It sounded like the turbo spooled up when I was revving, and that's kind of what it's supposed to do. And it's not loud, it's definitely not loud, but it's there, and it kind of gives that like kind of hint of turbo without being obnoxious. I was kind of hoping it'd be obnoxious just for the video, but honestly, for real life application, I kind of like it. It's not super obnoxious. It works really well. So let's see how long it lasts in there. That's actually really cool. I'm just gonna give it a burst up the driveway, see if it does anything. If not, you know, It was oh, by the way, today's video is sponsored by Sam Pakrad. He's the one who bought the turbo whistle, not me. So if anyone wants to blame anyone, you can blame him. But I was going to buy one anyway, so I'm just going to drive up the driveway. I'm going to keep you guys in my hand. Keep it in first gear. I mean, it's kind of there. It's like kind of, but it's not like 100% there. It's weird. I don't know. I'll listen to it on the way to school tomorrow. I'll give you guys an update on Monday. Because why not throw out a video on Monday? I love to make videos anyway. I can barely see out of my mirrors. What the fuck was that? Was my brake getting stuck? It's definitely not very noticeable. I feel like it might be more noticeable if my car didn't have such an open exhaust. Since it does, it's kind of... It's cool though. It is pretty cool. Obviously it's a racer thing, and maybe we should do Monday's video on racers. So in the car, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really enjoy making videos for you guys. Also want to give special thanks to Sam Pakrad. I'll put his name up here because I didn't ask him if he wanted any social media accounts on here. If he does, eventually, I will probably just put them down below. And thanks for watching so much. Please like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, drop a comment down below. What do you think of the racer modification of a turbo whistle? Do you hate them on cars? Do you think they just don't work? Let me know down below. Peace out and be legendary.
Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's